flight and journey through a colorful and wonderful world of birds. We hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking about feathered friends, I'm very sure you guys would have seen some chickens on stage, right? Well, those are known as our bantam chicken, okay? Okay, so with that, we have one more chicken joining us. That will be a bantam rooster. So everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Chucky, I can see you already. Come on, over here. Do you want to fly down to me? And a touchdown. Can we give Chucky a round of applause, everyone? Good job. Now, many of us think that chickens cannot fly. That's not true. Chucky here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Chucky, I'm very sure you know your way back home, all the way back to Durga. There you go. Now, let's all highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits or nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for a bird. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Gaia, come on out here. Everyone wants to see you. Very shy bird we have right there. Okay, I think it's because of the weather. Do I see him? There he is. Beautiful flight. And joining Gaia will be Adric, our scarlet macaw. What a beautiful flight. Now coming back to Gaia. Gaia is a hyacinth macaw, and hyacinth macaws are the largest in the macaw family. Alright, they are the largest. And after feasting these birds, they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Now it looks like the both of them are happily enjoying their treats up there, but not to worry because this will definitely be their next stop. Oh, hi Joe! Who is there?
Hi everyone, now this is Ipi, and Ipi is Jurong Bird Club's Golden Rainbow Wildlife Ambassador. Did you know that he is so environmentally friendly? He knows how to recycle and put them into the correct recycling bin.
Is it? Okay. Let's see, alright. I have 3 kinds of recycling items with me. I have a paper carton, I have a metal can, as well as a plastic bottle.
Alright, perfect. Now EP has his own 3 recycling bins, paper, metal, and last one for plastic as well.
Okay, so let's see if he's able to place the right trash into the right bin. Ready, EP? Paper trash. Wow! 2 more to go. Metal can. Good job! Last one will be the plastic bottle. Yes, that's the right bin. Put it in, come on. Joe! He's having a bit of a problem here. It's a bit too high for him.
Alright, not to worry. Now, EP has his own cute little stool. Helps him to gain a few inches. So why don't you give it to him?
Okay, this is a very cute stool indeed. I'm going to leave this stool upside down. Let's see what he does with it, okay? There you go. Look at him flipping the stool and walking together with it. Okay, have you adjusted accordingly? Now you show everyone how you recycle this.
Now everyone watch EP steps on the stool and you recycle! Well done, EP. Now ladies and gentlemen, did you know that plastic waste has known to harm wildlife to the extent that it has killed over 1 million birds and animals every single year? Now plastic when found in their natural habitat has known to kill them when they consume it as well as get entangled in them. So that's why plastic is also known as the deadliest monster.
Oh no, that is very alarming. But Iping here has set a very good example that we should all recycle our items, because all these recycled items can be made into new products. Okay? So if Iping can do it, I'm very sure all of us can do so. So let's all bid our little right to save wildlife and help to fight the deadliest monsters together. Okay? So with that, everyone, let's give Joe and Iping a round of applause. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-lipped Amazon parrot we have right here is famous for copying sounds. We have one such bird today, so everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? But one gentle reminder, please do not use any form of flash photography, okay? As you guys know, it rained quite heavily earlier. The weather is looking a bit gloomy. These birds, they get distracted by the light from the flash. They might think it's lightning. Okay, so just check the back of your phones, alright? Okay. You ready? You wanna say hello? Hello. Wow, you heard that? A very sweet hello. Alright, come introduce yourself. Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo. You heard that? His name is Amigo. Shall we hear that one more time? Yes? Okay, Amigo, they all want to hear your name again. Tell them your name. Amigo. Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? No. You have to say the complete sentence. Okay, you're supposed to say, how are you? We'll do this one more time. Greet these nice people. How are you? There you go. How is everyone feeling today? Good? Good. That's very nice to hear, despite the weather. Okay, now Amigo here, he is quite smart, okay? He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect done! Well done! And not only he can count in English, Amigo can also count in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 means very good in Chinese. Not only that, he can also sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. That's right, the first song titled Ke Ren Lai, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, you want to tell it out? Let's sing in Mandarin. Ke Ren Lai, Han Pa Pa, Pa Pa Bu Dai Ya, Wo Shi Ke Ren Ji Dai Ya, Dai Ji Ji Bei Ya. There you go, Ke Ren Lai, word for word. Definitely go. Now the second song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang. I'm pretty sure some of you know that song, right? If you know that song, just sing along with Amigo, okay? Ready? You wanna sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat Nona Hey, what a jumpy song! Definitely go! Okay, the third song is a very special song, okay? And it goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. So it's the 12th of September. Anybody's birthday? Don't be shy. Come, raise up your hand. Okay, I see 1. It's okay, don't have to be shy. 2 beautiful ladies. Anyone else? Nobody. Okay, so for the 2 of you, Amigo is going to sing you a very special song, okay? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to the both of you. Thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Bird Park. So now it's time for Amigo to head back home. So can all of you wave your hands and say bye-bye, Amigo?
Bye.
Amigo, are you ready? That's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Last one. Bye-bye. Can we give Amigo a round of applause, everyone? Our yellow-necked Amazon parrot. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after hearing Amigo perform, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But please do know that these birds, they require a lot of time and commitment. Certain species can even outlive us. So please bear that in mind before you get yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now, the next two birds joining us are hornbills, and they are going to show us all how loving they can be. So everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great white hornbill. Hello, Vicky. Good afternoon. Now, great white hornbills like Vicky, they can be found in Asia. Hornbills in general, they can be found in two continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the Bird Park. Now, Vicky and myself will coming up a few steps higher so that you guys can have a closer look at her. Okay. Let's go up a little bit so everyone can have beautiful pictures of Vicky. Big bird, isn't she? Okay, Vicky, if you're ready, you spread your wings and fly. Vicky, your nest box is towards your right. Can you hop a little? It's a very good hop. Okay, so what she's doing right now is she's inspecting her nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. That was fast. Now once inside, she will then seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. So Vicky, if you like your nest box, you can seal it out now. Vicky, are you still inside? There she is. Now ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny. Another great white hornbill is Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Now when the female hornbills are in the nest, the male will then go out to look for food to feed her, and this will take up to 3 or 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Now in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills, and thanks to your contributions to our conservation fund, we have successfully released some of them into nature reserves in Singapore, as well as right here in the Bird Park. So after the show, just look up, okay, you might be able to spot some free-flying Oriental pied hornbills. Oh, hi! Okay, Azza is here to call Sunny down, and very short while Sunny will be making another beautiful flight down. Sunny! Ready? Come on, Azza's waiting for you. No. I think he saw some treats on the ground, but it's okay. He will be making a flight now? Yes, there you go. Wow, he missed you. Okay, one more time. Sunny, Azza's on stage. Come on. And a touchdown! Sunny, our great white hornbill, everyone! Now, ladies and gentlemen, in a very short while, we will be joined by 2 more macaws on stage. Now, birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting seasons. So we're going to have a little competition right now to see who is faster at gathering fruits, and they need supporters, okay? So I'm going to split all of you into 2 groups. So let's see. People on this side to this side. You will be supporting Peanut, our blue and yellow macaw. So I want people right here to clap your hands and show for Peanut, just like this. Peanut, Peanut.
Peanut,
Louder.
peanut.
Wow, okay, stop. Very good. The rest of you here, you will be supporting Stanley, our green wing macaw. Same thing, louder than them, shall we? Come on. Stanley,
Stanley, Stanley, Stanley.
Wow, excellent cheering. Now, birds to the table. Okay, so right here with me, I have a hollow tree trunk where these two birds will be gathering 4 fruits each. Okay, supporters, are you ready? Hey guys, come on, there's so many of you. One more time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
That's much better. Birds ready and go!
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, tell me who's the winner?
Peanut.
Peanut! Well done! Good job, Peanut
Can you confuse
supporters!
kila lang?
Hi, James.
Huh?
What happened to Stanley? Okay, in case you didn't hear what he said it's just a warm up. Excuses, huh? So what do you want now? You heard that? He wants one more game. Shall we have one more?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, one more game it shall be. Let's give Stanley here a second chance, okay? So 4 fruits on each side of the table. Stanley supporters, you have to cheer much louder, okay? Alright, let's just wait for Peanut to be ready. Yes? Okay, supporters ready and go! Okay, that was a tough fight, okay, but from the back, from where I am standing, Stanley plays the ball in first, okay? So let's give it to Stanley, everyone. Alright, so we have a draw this afternoon. Both the birds have done their best, so let's give a round of applause for Peanut and Stanley, our playful macaws. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale, so don't go anywhere just yet. I'm going to show the birds that have amazed you, and some of them make you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now, we can all help these birds by simply choosing the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. Remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, so let's all make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. Now, looks like we are all set. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we are going to have lots of birds on stage, so let's get by row basis. So my friendly colleagues up there will assist you with the exit, okay? Very playful colleague we have here.